Welcome to your inner doctor. Today, we're diving into the world of ears, why they hurt, how hearing loss sneaks up on you, and what you can do to keep them squeaky clean without using a Q-tip like a lightsaber. 1. What causes earaches? Common causes: ear infections, otitis media, usually caused by bacteria or viruses; swimmer's ear, otitis externa, water trapped in the ear canal; earwax blockage, pressure from compacted wax; barotrauma, pressure changes from flights or diving; temporomandibular joint (TMJ), disorders, pain from jaw can radiate to the ear. Symptoms to watch: sharp or dull pain, fullness in the ear, fever, fluid drainage, reduced hearing. 2. Hearing loss, types and causes. Types of hearing loss: conductive hearing loss, due to blockages, wax, fluid, bone growth; sensorineural hearing loss, damage to inner ear or nerves, aging, noise exposure; mixed hearing loss, combination of both. Causes: loud noise exposure, aging, presbycusis, infections, head trauma, ototoxic medications. 3. Proper ear cleaning. Do not stick cotton swabs deep into the canal, can push wax in further. Use sharp objects. Seriously, no keys or pens. Do use warm water and a clean towel to wipe the outer ear. Try eardrops to soften wax. Use bulb syringes with gentle irrigation. See a doctor for professional cleaning if needed. 4. How to prevent ear problems. Tips: dry ears thoroughly after swimming. Use earplugs when exposed to loud noise. Avoid inserting foreign objects into ears. Get regular checkups, especially if prone to infections. Treat allergies to prevent eustachian tube blockages. 5. When to see a doctor. Go see a doctor if pain lasts more than 2 days, there's fluid leaking out, hearing suddenly drops, you feel dizzy or nauseous, over-the-counter drops don't help. 2. Wrap up. Treat your ears like royalty. Don't poke them. Protect them from loud noise and keep them clean the right way. Because when your ears feel good, you hear life better. Hit that subscribe button to keep your inner doctor glowing.